Oo naman, syempre, it's food on the table, sabi ko nga eh. Lalo na if you're 1 year, malaking blessing na lalo na if you sign with NLEX Factory, generosity, talagang hindi lang on and off the court. So it's added motivation for me lalo na up against former team ko rin, Phoenix.
Yung umpisa nga, nakakalito yung umpisa ng conference, nung dating niya, nalilito ba si JB, maski ako nalilito, siya po siya lalagay sa 4 o sa 3, talagang nakakalito. Kaya medyo struggle si JB. So ngayon, he is more of a 3 na malaki na yung adjustment niya, na malaki din bagay sa akin na nandito si JB.
Bala ako ni Coach mo.
So, settle down na sa position.
Hindi ko naman, kasi all the burden is on Robert Pauling. When every time we play, I just play off kung nilalaro ni Robert o nilalaro ni Cyrus. Everybody got the team. That's my kind of game.
Sabi natin nagkasama ni Robert sa Sunday before. Your thoughts na ito, you're going for another shot at training challenge.
Ayun, the usual, nagyayabang ka naman. Siya na bumuhay ng career ko. Pero ano lang yun, katuwaan na. Pero I think Robert knows me. Pero it's parang different, parang college kami. Was playing before. Siya, same. Pero it's a different Robert Pauling now. That he can really control generational talent, if I can say, diba, si Robert. Now, I get to feed off that. So malaking bagay talaga.